Mikey Will here. I just want to show you guys how to get to Fifth Water Hot Springs in Utah. Dope place, a lot of cool sights, crazy hike, some stuff you're gonna need on the way, some micro spikes if you can find them, or if you just got some fresh boots that can make it. Don't go in sneakers, you will get blacked out. Just do not go at night. Absolutely do not go at night. There's more on the show on that. Stay tuned. Yeah, here we go.
Wow. Why does it look like this? Alright, well, I guess I'm recording for the whole way.
At least if we die, we'll have something.
Yeah.
Hey, America. We are walking down a super dark sketch trail that we thought would be cool. It would be,
Hey, long story short, we were supposed to go to Fifth Water Hot Springs. We weren't sure if we were supposed to come at night. Tried to come at night. My phone stopped working. We don't see any people, no sounds, no anything.
Just nature.
Just nature.
And advanced darkness.
And a super advanced darkness.
So, we gonna make it back. But also, like if we don't, this is our last one. This is our last monologue.
Nah, bro. I swear to God. I swear to. I think the light works better if you put it sideways.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay.
Yeah, let's try and put a pep in our step. But we here.
Yeah, we here. We done made it back. But like, we was running back scenarios. Like, we done picked up a stick, you know, just in case some mountain lion or some bear try to step.
This is a stick, if you tell me.
This ain't even on because we're some like from East Coast. So I'm like, I'm not trying to die. I'm trying to be hit. So I'm trying to win.
like that's like unfortunately one of us would get.
Yeah, but like, we would get back though. That's the thing.
Dude, we have a stick.
We got some towels.
We have some towels.
Throw it over his head.
Bro, real quick, over his head. It'll discombobulate him real quick.
Yeah, bing! Him with the stick. That's enough. I'm gonna grab his head again, and I'm like, no, stab him with something.
Oh, damn.
I'm like, crack him across his eye. I'm like, gouge his eye out. Something. Do something foul. I'm like, we gotta cheat. This guy's a.
Dude, if it.
We have walkie-talkies. We're blessed at walkie-talkies.
Yeah, we have walkie-talkies, and that's a blessing in itself.
Like, you got no service.
Okay, I remember those reflectors.
Yep.
Big fuck. Fucking stab some shit.
No, something going crazy back there. Stop lying myself. I can't see.
My bad.
Oh, we got nutty butter. Commence nutty butter. Red Rocks, yay! Man, this. Oh no! Towel down. Walk on this pavement so I don't eat it. Walking to find this sign right here. Yeah.
So it's 2 days to find that sign.
Alright, let's get to it though. 2 days, huh? Look at this mark. But it's a little crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finally found the bridge. Yeah. Alright, so we finally made it to the hot spring. It is mucho hot in this. Where's Nolan at? Go back. Yeah. Hot springs action. So worth the walk. So worth it. Oh yeah.
Oh man. I guess that's where like the hot water comes out, because that's scorching. Oh geez. This is super cool. Oh man.
Alright, this is the bridge you gotta take to go to Fifth Spring Hot Springs. You go up this trail, don't make a left, keep going straight, just keep going straight, just keep going straight, and it's like a 25-minute walk. But this is us coming back, and sunset. Alright, when you guys get to this sign, go straight. Do not go right. I don't know where that takes you. It's just like, I flew my drone up there, I didn't know what I was seeing. Just go straight. The map says to go straight. I don't know where, but it says it, trust me, because I was just there. Alright, you guys, you're gonna see that little concrete bridge coming back, obviously. But the real thing is, you gotta go around this little bathroom and go past it, because you wouldn't even know that's even there. Icy. Yeah, make sure you follow the Fifth Water Trail. This is obviously the bridge. This gate, do not keep going straight. You will not find the springs. You'll just keep walking and walking and walking and walking. Definitely make sure you go over there. Look for these huge rocks. And it's the first concrete bridge, not the first one that you see like early on the trail. Hey.